Hey guys, so if you're interested, I'm doing a giveaway of this Keychron C3 Pro mechanical keyboard. I used it, I tested it out. I didn't really like it, especially for work. I missed the number pad, or I need the number pad for work, and the keys are too high. I probably need like a low profile keyboard for work. So, comes with a keyboard and the cable and some other stuff here. So I'm gonna do this giveaway. I'm gonna give it away to somebody, one lucky person. Mainland US only US mainland. So if you're interested, subscribe. You gotta subscribe, put your notifications on, and definitely leave a comment. All right. So this is the Keychron C3 Pro mechanical keyboard.